Hello. Let's imagine for a moment that getting better results and setting your team up for success is easier than you think. Last week we facilitated a 2-day workshop on what it takes to build a great team. By shifting how you view others and taking consistent action, you can embark on an astonishing journey towards achieving team excellence. Have you ever heard the saying, "You get what you expect"? This is actually truer than you might realize. Many people are unclear about what's expected of them and only receive feedback when something goes wrong. This can impact their self-worth and confidence, ultimately affecting the company's net worth. Today I would like to share 3 powerful tips that can truly make a difference in your leadership approach. Let's focus on the 3 C's. Number 1, clarity. As the leader of the team, you have to get clear on what you expect from each team member. Clarity helps avoid confusion and enables people to align with the vision. Consider defining 10 key expectations and 5 non-negotiables to ensure everyone understands what success looks like. Number 2, character. Have you included character expectations? These are often overlooked but are essential for a strong team culture. Examples might include optimism, initiative, ownership, a willingness to learn and grow, honesty, integrity, respect, and adaptability. Number 3, commitment. What is your commitment to inspiring your team by following through on your responsibilities and leading by example? Your commitment sets the standard for others to follow. Good communication is key to ensure that all your team members have a crystal clear understanding of your expectations. Keep in mind that achieving operational excellence starts with each person's understanding what personal excellence looks like. When everyone has that clarity, things will begin to move in the right direction. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.